The title of highest money-earning American-bred thoroughbred horse could change today. In fact, two horses have chances to pass Arrogate, a U.S. horse that earns $17,422,600 and is currently its top money earner. Arrogate won the 2016 Travers Stakes in a track record time in his first stakes appearance, then won the Breeders' Cup Classic and was named the American Champion 3-year-old. To start his 4-year campaign, he won the 2017 Pegasus World Cup and a new track record, followed by a win in the Dubai World Cup. My personal favorite is Winx, an Australian horse who has won $18.7 million during her racing career, making her the world's highest money earner.
The Saudi Cup is the richest horse race in the world, with a prize of $20 million. It's held annually in Saudi Arabia, attracting horse owners from around the world to compete for the prize. Today is that day. Each year tracks raise their stakes and it takes surprisingly few wins to challenge for the title these days. The spoiler. Taiba is the 5-2 morning line favorite, according to Brisnet odds, for this Group 1, $20 million race. Post time from King Abdulaziz Equestrian Field is 12:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with FS2 showing the roughly 1 1/8 mile stakes for runners who are 4 and up. Does history change today?